Hey there YouTube, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Kingsford Kettle grill. Just saw a lot of YouTube videos on Weber grills and stuff like that. I was able to get this one for $69 and I want to see if I can make the same kind of quality food that the Weber grill can do with this one. So, it's about $100 cheaper, and let's see. So it says it can fit 21 burgers on here. The charcoal grill, 22.5-inch cooking area. So let's open it up and see what we got here. Instructions. It's like a warming grate. It's like the cooking grate. That looks like the one where the charcoal is going to go on. Accessory basket. There's all the nuts. Put it together. So that's the bottom vent. There's the top vent. Wheels. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting this together, and then I will magically reappear with a completed barbecue. Alright, so here it is, all finished. It's got a little basket on the bottom there. There's the top. That's how the vent is. Open her up. There you go. Lots of cooking space, warming rack. Yeah. Oh, and the I'll just show you at the bottom here. So that's how that works. Just like slides open for the vent. Cash catcher. So you open for two, I guess, or both closed. Both sides have it. So, there we go. So there it is. No temperature gauge on it, so that's what I'm gonna have to get. But there's the Kingsford Kettle grill, 22.5-inch.